Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I'll be filming a review of the products I got from Charlotte Tilbury. This is my first time ordering anything from Charlotte. So I ordered the Lipcheat Reshape and Resize Lip Liner because I've been trying to find a really good lip liner that I can wear on a daily basis. So I'm hoping that this could be it. Ooh, made in Germany. Deutschland, yeah. Next, we have this Matte Revolution Luminous Modern Matte Long Lasting Lipstick. In German, it's called Matter Lippenstift. Ooh, enriched with papaya and orchid. Fancy. Okay, time to get up close and personal. I'm gonna try these babies. So I've already moisturized my lips with this Burt Pomegranate lip balm, which I absolutely swear by. This is the best lip balm I have ever tried in my whole life. I have bought it over and over again because I've actually finished the bottle. Like, how often do you finish a lip balm bottle? How often? Not often at all. I'm telling you, this is the best. Okay, first, Lipcheat. Love the packaging. Reshape and Resize lip liner in Pillow Top. First impression, nice. It's very close to my lip color. I really like the texture. It looks so natural. I love filling in my lips with lip liner because I find that it makes whatever I put on top of it stay on longer. It's almost like a primer in itself. So, a cashmere cream texture with soft matte finish. Ooh, this looks like a Christmas ornament. Oh, and of course, the Charlotte Tilbury logo. Loving the shape, definitely. Very unique. I just love how natural these shades are. So far, I'm thoroughly impressed. I think the test now will be I'm gonna wear this all day long and then report back later to see how it stayed. I really, really like it. So as an update, I just ate a full meal of vegan chicken nuggets, and honestly, the lipstick stayed on pretty well. Still feels like I just put it on, so pretty impressed, would recommend. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed my review on these Charlotte Tilbury lip products, and I'll be posting new videos every week, so hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't already checked out my Sephora VIB haul, I'm gonna link it right here so you can watch it to see all of the other amazing products I got from Sephora. So yeah, I'm wishing you guys a beautiful day, a beautiful week, and sending all my love and best wishes to you guys. And see you next time. Bye!